As devoted dog owners, our top priority is to keep our furry companions both happy and healthy. But since dogs are masters at hiding their discomfort and can't simply tell us when something's wrong, it's up to us to be vigilant and pick up on the subtle cues they give us. If you're feeling uncertain about what to look for, don't worry. You're not alone. Recognizing these signs isn't always easy, but it's incredibly important for your dog's well-being. In this video, we'll walk you through 9 important warning signs that could mean your dog needs some extra attention or help. From changes in behavior to physical symptoms, we'll cover a range of indicators that you might not have considered before. Understanding these signals can make a big difference in catching potential health issues early. So let's jump in and make sure we're fully equipped to take care of our beloved pets, especially when they need us the most. Number 1. Changes in eating and drinking habits. Dogs usually show great enthusiasm when it's time to eat, eagerly devouring every bit in their bowl and even eyeing any unattended food within their reach. They can be quite the opportunistic eaters, sometimes munching on things that aren't even food. However, if you notice a significant change in their eating habits, it's a cause for concern. Should your dog begin eating less than usual or refuse food entirely for more than a day, it's a clear signal that something might be amiss. This sudden lack of appetite can stem from a variety of issues, ranging from a mild stomach upset to more serious conditions like infections, digestive problems, or even systemic illnesses. It's essential to promptly consult a veterinarian to pinpoint the cause and ensure your furry friend gets the necessary care. Keep in mind that a dog's eating habits are a crucial indicator of their overall health. Any significant deviations from their normal behavior should not be overlooked. Being attentive to these changes can help you catch potential health issues early and keep your dog healthy and happy. Number 2. More frequent accidents. When your potty-trained dog suddenly starts having accidents inside the house, it's easy to think they're just acting out. However, it's crucial to consider that these accidents might be your dog's way of signaling that something is off or they're not feeling well. Sometimes these incidents can point to underlying health issues that need a vet's attention. One common cause of indoor accidents is separation anxiety. This mental health condition makes dogs anxious when left alone, leading them to relieve themselves indoors even if they're well trained. Additionally, dogs thrive on routine, and any disruptions, like moving to a new home or a change in your work schedule, can lead to confusion and behavioral issues. For instance, a new environment might prompt a dog to mark territory, while a shift in daily routines can throw off their established habits. It's important to be patient and help your dog adapt to new circumstances. Reinforce household rules, provide consistent training, and give them time to adjust to changes. With a bit of patience and consistency, your dog is likely to get back on track, and those indoor accidents should become a thing of the past. Number 3. Unusual destructive actions. Coming home to find your furniture destroyed or your favorite socks in shreds is never a pleasant experience. Before letting frustration take over, it's important to understand why your dog might be acting out this way. Identifying the root cause of their destructive behavior can help you effectively address and correct it. One common culprit is separation anxiety. Dogs experiencing this anxiety often feel distressed when left alone and might resort to chewing or tearing things apart as a coping mechanism. Another potential reason is simple boredom, which is particularly common in younger dogs and puppies. Like children, dogs need regular physical exercise and mental stimulation to remain happy and well-behaved. To prevent destructive behavior, ensure your dog gets plenty of playtime, walks, and interactive activities throughout the day. This not only helps them burn off excess energy but also keeps their minds engaged. Providing a variety of toys, puzzles, and activities can keep them occupied and reduce the likelihood of them taking out their energy on your belongings. Remember, a well-exercised and mentally stimulated dog is typically a well-behaved one. Number 4. Decreased affection and snuggling. When your normally affectionate dog starts pulling away or flinching when you try to give them some love, it can be concerning. This behavior might be a sign that they're experiencing pain or discomfort, or it could be their way of saying they just don't want to be bothered right now. The trick is to figure out which it is. The key lies in observing your dog's usual behavior and noting any changes. If your dog, who usually loves snuggles and attention, suddenly seems distant or uninterested, it's a clear signal that something might be wrong. It could be anything from a minor ache to a more serious health issue. Monitoring these changes closely is essential. If the behavior persists, it's wise to consult with a vet to get to the root of the issue. By paying close attention and seeking professional advice, you can help ensure your dog stays happy and healthy. Number 5. Abnormal belly swelling. It's pretty normal to see your dog's tummy swell a bit after a large meal, but there are times when a swollen abdomen signals something more serious. A noticeably distended tummy can be a red flag for various health issues, including hormonal imbalances, infections, digestive disorders, or even internal bleeding. If this swelling goes unchecked, it can lead to more severe problems, like difficulty breathing due to pressure on the lungs. When you notice your dog's abdomen looking unusually swollen, it's crucial to get them checked by a vet as soon as possible. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a huge difference in addressing whatever issue might be causing the swelling. Keeping a close eye on your dog's physical changes and acting quickly can help ensure they stay healthy and comfortable. Number 6. Unexplained low energy. When a typically lively dog starts showing signs of decreased energy, it's a concern no matter their age. While it's common to worry about a lack of energy in puppies or young dogs who are usually full of playful enthusiasm, a sudden shift in activity levels can also be significant in older dogs. If your dog, who normally bounds around with excitement or eagerly engages in their favorite activities, begins to show signs of lethargy or seems disinterested in play, it's important to take notice. This sudden drop in energy can be a sign of a range of potential issues. For older dogs, it might be related to physical discomfort, such as joint pain or muscle soreness. Conditions like arthritis can make physical activity less enjoyable and more painful, leading to a noticeable decline in energy levels. On the other hand, more serious internal conditions like heart disease or metabolic disorders can also cause a significant drop in energy, making your dog feel persistently tired and less inclined to move around. In some cases, emotional factors like depression or anxiety can contribute to decreased activity levels as well. Just like humans, dogs can experience emotional distress that affects their overall demeanor and enthusiasm. This can lead to a decrease in their usual activity and playfulness. If you notice these changes in your dog's behavior, it's crucial to seek veterinary advice. A thorough checkup can help determine if there's an underlying health issue that needs to be addressed, allowing you to get your furry friend the appropriate treatment and support to help them regain their vitality and joy. Number 7. Excessive licking and scratching. Just as humans can suffer from allergies, dogs are also susceptible to them, and one of the most noticeable signs is repetitive licking and scratching. If you find your dog frequently licking specific spots on their body or engaging in constant scratching, it could be their way of coping with itchy or irritated skin due to an allergic reaction. This kind of behavior often stems from various allergens. It might be triggered by certain foods that don't agree with your dog's system, environmental factors like pollen, dust mites, or even flea infestations. Allergies can cause significant discomfort, prompting your dog to try and alleviate the itchiness through excessive licking and scratching. While occasional scratching is typical and part of a dog's natural grooming routine, persistent or obsessive behavior should not be ignored. Continuous licking and scratching can lead to more serious issues, such as skin damage, infections, and overall discomfort for your furry friend. It's essential to monitor these behaviors closely and consult with your vet to identify the underlying cause and find a suitable treatment to help your dog feel more comfortable and relieved. Number 8. Unexpected aggression. Just like people, dogs can have their off days, and it's especially common for older dogs to become a bit more irritable or moody as they age. However, if a relatively young dog, who is typically gentle and friendly, suddenly starts showing signs of aggression, it could be a red flag that something serious is going on. Sudden aggression in a usually calm dog might be a sign of underlying pain or discomfort. This could stem from various issues such as an injury, a developing health problem, or even an infection that's causing them distress. Unlike typical moodiness or fleeting irritability, this kind of aggression might be their way of signaling that they're not feeling well. It's important to take these changes seriously and not just chalk them up to a bad day. If your dog's behavior shifts from sweet and gentle to aggressive, it's crucial to seek professional advice ASAP. Number 9. Persistent whining and whimpering. When your dog starts whimpering or whining, it's their way of trying to communicate something important. These vocalizations can serve various purposes. Your dog might be asking for attention, expressing a need, or signaling that something's not quite right. While a bit of whining might be as simple as wanting a treat or needing to go outside, persistent or unusual whining can be a sign of deeper issues such as stress, fear, or even pain. To get to the bottom of your dog's whining, pay close attention to their behavior and the context in which the whining occurs. Consider any recent changes in their environment or routine. New people, different animals, or alterations in their daily schedule could be causing them distress. Observing these factors can provide clues about what your dog is trying to communicate. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.